Now I am going to teach 12th standard physics content number 3.8.2 magnetic field due to long straight conductor carrying current. So from the diagram, y prime is a long straight conductor. Y prime, that is y dash is a long straight conductor. I, steady current flowing through the conductor. On the conductor, consider a small element AB, length of the small element dl. Then consider a point P, distance A from the conductor O. Next, draw a perpendicular line AC to BP. It's making an angle theta. Current flowing through the conductor. According to Biot-Savart law, developing magnetic field. The magnetic field dP is equal to mu naught by 4 pi ideal sin theta by r square n cap. Here n cap is unit vector. From the diagram, in triangle ABC, we are going to find sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side AC. Theta opposite side AC, hypotenuse AB. So sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side AC, hypotenuse AB. Sin theta is equal to AC by AB. So rearrange this equation. AC equal to AB sin theta. From the diagram, AB equal to DL. Substitute this AB equal to DL value in this equation. We obtained AC equal to DL sin theta. From the diagram, A, P, B is equal to d pi. B, P, A is equal to d pi. So angle APB equal to BPA equal to d pi. Triangle APC, sin d pi equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. In triangle APC, sin d pi is equal to opposite side AC, hypotenuse AP. From the diagram, right angle is equal to PBA, right angle here, opposite side R, but actually this is longest side, so that we consider as hypotenuse AB. So triangle APC, sin d pi is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin d pi is equal to opposite side AC, hypotenuse AB. AP equal to R. From the diagram, AC equal to AP sin d pi. So substitute AB value in this equation. AC equal to R d pi. AC equal to AP sin d pi. Sin d pi is approximately d pi because d pi is very small. So AC equal to R d pi. This equation 2. From equation 1, AC equal to dl sin theta. From equation 2, AC equal to r d pi. Both equations are equal. So equate this two equation. dl sin theta equal to r d pi. Substitute dl sin theta is equal to r d pi from the given equation. dp equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square n cap. So here dl sin theta equal to r d pi. We obtained dp equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta equal to r d pi by r square n cap. So denominator r square, numerator r, so cancel r square. We obtained dp is equal to mu naught I d pi by 4 pi r n cap. Triangle OPA, cos pi equal adjacent by hypotenuse. From the diagram, triangle OPA is equal to pi. Pi cos pi is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side OP, hypotenuse AP. Here OP is equal to A, AP equal to R. So we obtained cos pi equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos pi equal to OP by A. Cos pi equal to A by R. R equal to A by cos pi. Substitute R value in this equation. dp equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d pi by r n cap. dp equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d pi by r equal to a by cos pi n cap. Next we obtained dp is equal to mu naught by 4 pi cos pi d pi by a n cap. The total magnetic field at a point P due to the conductor y prime is B vector is equal to integration dp is equal to integration minus pi 1 to pi 2 up lower limit minus pi 1 upper limit pi 2 mu naught I by 4 pi a cos pi d pi n cap. So from this equation mu naught I by 4 pi a n cap is a constant, is taking outside. So B vector is equal to mu naught I n cap by 4 pi a integration minus pi 1 to pi 2 cos pi d pi. B vector is equal to mu naught I n cap by 4 pi a integration cos pi d pi is equal to sin pi. So sin pi pi 2 to minus pi 1. Then B vector is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a n cap. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit pi 2. So pi is replaced as a pi 2. Sin pi 2 minus bracket sin minus pi 1. So B vector is equal to mu naught I n cap by 4 pi a sin pi 2 plus sin pi 1. For infinite long conductor, pi 1 is equal to pi 2 is equal to 90 degree. So sin 90 degree equal to 1. B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a n cap sin 90 degree plus sin 90 degree. So B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a n cap sin 90 equal to 1. So 1 plus 1. B vector is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a n cap bracket 2 to 2 4 cancel 2. Finally total magnetic field due to a long straight conductor carrying current B vector is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi a n cap. From this equation we know the current I and distance a. We obtain the total magnetic field at a point P at a long straight conductor carrying current.